Security override room 614. Little John! Little John!
Sir, hold. May security alert sa inyo. Kailangan namin kayong i-escort pabalik.
Security Command, nakita na namin si Dr. Armstrong.
Kailangan ko na makalayo sa lugar na ito.
What, Robot? Huh?
Octo-1,
Kuya Steve! Octo, so glad to see you.
anong nangyari sa'yo? Nasaan si Little John?
Octo One don't know. Octo tells the truth about your papa, but Little John don't like it. Little John was angry at Octo. Kuya Steve, Octo has bad news. Soldiers and Dr. Smith terminated. Here, Octo show you. Octo One witnessed everything. So sorry, Kuya Steve. Octo got scared. Octo can't do anything.
Little John,
Kuya, nakita niyo po ba ang papa ko?
pumunta siya doon. Pero huwag ka na sumunod. Little John!
Papa!
Little John!
Papa!
Kuya Steve is right. Your papa, he's bad.
Masamang tao nga siya. Si Little John. Baka anong gawin niya kay Little John?
Kuya Steve! Kuya Steve!
Papa?
Little John, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Totoo po ba yung sinabi na kuya? Totoo po bang pinatay mo si Dr. Smith?